Howdy and welcome back to my channel today. Today we're going to try to take some cuttings of some Mexican petunias. See if we can get these to root so I can transfer some into my yard. So let's get started. Now, I have a lot of Mexican petunias growing right here by this yucca plant. They're all growing all along here. You can see them all through there, all down around there. I'm going to try to take some of these cuttings here and root them. It'll be kind of hard to hold the camera and take the cuttings too. We'll get down here and try to take some cuttings right below this node here on this one. We'll just take these cuttings, try to hold them off the side. We'll start with a few. Well, that didn't fail. We'll get a few of them out. Just right here, a few at a time. Get one more. Right here, we'll start with these three and see what we can do with these. Now, we're gonna see if we can just trim off all the leaves. I'm just gonna pull them off by hand. All these leaves on these right here. I'm gonna strip this down to, hope you can see it good in the camera. We'll just throw these leaves away. I'm gonna leave all them on there. I'm gonna trim this off. Some of this way too big leaves on it. Just trim it up a little bit. We'll do these other cuttings the same way. Just pop these off. Now, I'm going to just trim it up. Just cut it off completely like that. We don't want it to grow. We're trying to root it, not grow it. And we'll get this one. We'll do this one the same way. Now, and here we have these three. All three of these. They'll be perfect size. Nodes here. We'll get these. We're gonna root them in water. These should take within a couple of weeks. They should grow. Should start putting on roots. So we'll just take our cup of water here. We'll put these in here. Now, let's get the camera. Now you can see I've only got it down inside there. The nodes are down in there. I might add a little bit more water, maybe. See what I can get. That should be enough, really. As long as we change it every day. They should root in a couple of weeks. We should start seeing roots in about 5 to 7 days, though. Now I'm going to show the update on these Mexican petunias. Look at the roots on these things. I forgot about them. They've been in here for 14 days now, sitting in this water since I first took the cuttings. These things are ready to plant out. Plant into a pot right now. They look pretty good, so might be doing a few more of those to put in the yard. Have more, a little bit faster, spread some more around the yard, different places. These turned out pretty good. You got some big old roots on it. And this one right here, that all turned out pretty good, pretty well. put them back in this water for right now. So I decided where to put them. Well, alright, I guess that's it for this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Until next time, thanks for watching.